नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Ajay Jatolia, Assistant Professor, Department of Community Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today, we will discuss about hardness of water. Hardness of water. Hardness may be defined as the soul-destroying power of water. Hardness in water is caused mainly by poor dissolved compound causing temporary hardness with calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, causing permanent hardness with calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, chlorides and nitrates of calcium and magnesium can also cause hardness. Hardness in water is expressed in terms of milliequivalent per liter (MEq per liter). Soft below 1 milliequivalent per minute. Moderately hard 1 to 3 MEq per liter. Hard water 3 to 6 MEq per liter. Very hard water above 6 milliequivalent per liter. Disadvantage of hardness: consumes more soap and detergents, carbonates are precipitated and bring about tearing or scaling of boilers. Adversely affects cooking, fabrics washed with soap in hard water do not have a long life. Hardness shortens the life of pipes and fixtures. Special treatment: removal of hardness, fluoridation of water, defluoridation of water. Removal of hardness: temporary hardness by boiling, adding of lime, addition of sodium carbonate, permitted permutate process, permanent hardness, addition of sodium carbonate, base exchange process. Base exchange process में sodium permitted is a complex compound of sodium, aluminium and silica, Na2Al2 SiO H2O. Excuse me. It has the property of exchanging the sodium cation for the calcium and magnesium ion in the water. Calcium and magnesium ion are entirely removed by base exchange and the sodium permitted is finally covered into calcium and magnesium permitted. Inverse statistical association between the hardness of drinking water and the death rate from cardiovascular diseases. Fluoridation of water. The term fluoridation has been given to the process of supplementing the natural fluoride content of potable waters to the point of optimum concentration. Defluoridation. Water is defluoridated by phosphate to reduce fluorides to optimum levels. Horrocks apparatus. Horrocks apparatus Water testing apparatus is designed to find out the dose of bleaching powder required for disinfection of water. Contains 6 white cups, 200 ml capacity each. One black cup with a circular mark on the inside. Two metal spoons each hold 2 grams of bleaching powder when filled level with the brim. 7 glass sting rod, one special pipe, 52 droppers, stretch, iodide indicator, solution, instruction folder, procedure. Take one level spoonful 2 grams of belching powder in the black cup and make it into a thin paste with a little water. Add more water to the paste and make up the volume up to the circular mark with vigorous stirring. Allow the settle. This is the stock solution. Fill the 6 white cups with water to be pasted up to about a semi below the rim. With the special pipette provided, add 1 drop of the stock solution to the first cup, 2 drops to the second cup, 3 drops to the third cup, and spoon. So on. Stir the water in each cup using a separate rod. Wait for half an hour for the action of chlorine. Add 3 drops of stretch iodide indicated to each of the white cups and stir again. Development of blue color indicates the presence of free residual chloride. Note the first cup which shows distinct blue color. Supposing the third cup shows blue color, then third level spoonfuls of 3 grams of bleaching powder would be required to disinfect disinfect 455 liters of water. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.